Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning.
Properties of bases. Point number 1. Bases are bitter to taste. Point number 2. Bases are soapy to touch. Point number 3. Bases turn red litmus to blue. Point number 4. Bases produce OH minus ions in aqueous solutions. Point number 5. A base reacts with an acid to form salt and water. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Example: HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. See this picture. Do you remember in the previous class we have discussed about this? When dilute HCl is added to sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide gas is released and that gas comes out through the delivery tube, which is then passed through a test tube having lime water. Then we have noticed that the lime water turns to white precipitate. Point number 6. Non-metal oxides dissolve in bases to form salts and water. CO2 plus CaOH twice gives CaCO3 plus H2O. Here CO2 is non-metal oxide and CaOH is base. Neutralization reaction. The reaction between an acid and base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Example: HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. H2SO4 plus CaOH twice gives CaSO4 plus 2H2O. This is an exothermic reaction, means heat is emitted in this reaction. Heat of neutralization. The heat liberated when 1 mole of acid reacts with 1 mole of base to form 1 mole of water and salt is called heat of neutralization. Its value is 13.7 kilocalories per mole. H plus OH minus gives H2O plus 13.7 kilocalories. How to observe the heat of neutralization? Point 1. Take sodium hydroxide in a test tube. Point 2. Note down the initial temperature of sodium hydroxide. Point 3. Take hydrochloric acid in another test tube. Point 4. Note down the initial temperature of hydrochloric acid. Point 5. Mix the sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid into another test tube. Point 6. Note down the final temperature of the mixture, that is salt and water. Dilution of acids or bases. Mixing of acids or bases with water to decrease the concentration of H plus or OH minus ions per unit volume is called dilution. Dilution of acid or base is an exothermic reaction. That means heat is evolved in these reactions. Dilution of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. care must be taken while mixing concentrated nitric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid with water. The acid must always be added slowly to water with constant stirring. If water is added to a concentrated acid, then the heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out and cause burns. The glass container may also break due to excessive local heating. Never add water to acid. Remember, never add water to acid. Always add acid to water. Remember, always add acid to water. Alkali. A base which is soluble in water is called alkali. Example, NaOH, KOH, CaOH twice, etc. Hydronium ion. Hydrogen ions associated with water molecules to form hydronium ions. H plus H2O gives H3O plus ions. So, hydrogen plus water gives hydronium ions. Strong acid. An acid which ionizes completely in its aqueous solution is called a strong acid. Example, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, etc. Strong base. A base which ionizes completely in its aqueous solution is called a strong base. Example, NaOH, KOH, CaOH twice, etc. Weak acid. An acid which ionizes partially in its aqueous solution is called a weak acid. Example, CH3COOH, citric acid, etc. Weak base. A base which ionizes partially in its aqueous solution is called a weak base. Example, NH4OH, MgOH twice, AlOH thrice, etc. Corrosive symbol. It's a warning sign displayed on containers containing concentrated acids and bases. This substance can attack and destroy living tissues such as skin and eyes. Concentrated solutions of strong acids such as sulfuric acid and concentrated solutions of strong alkalis such as sodium hydroxide are labeled with this symbol. Anyone using corrosive substances should wear gloves and eye protection such as goggles or a face shield. Ionic product of water. A very small portion of water dissociate into H plus and OH minus ions. The product of the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions is called the ionic product of water. It is represented as Kw. Kw is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14 mole square per liter square.